Okay? You need to know what they're trying to warn you about. You need to know what the laws are, what they say. Read and follow. Do what they say. Now, what are the purpose of signs? I'm going to move these out of the way so you can see it better. And then I want you to what are the purpose of traffic signs? To regulate, warn, and inform. You got it. In real life, you don't get a second chance. So, if you knew exactly when you were going to have a collision, what would you do right before it happened? You'll have to answer fast.
Put your life belt on.
The seatbelt.
Okay.
Well,
put your life belt
preferably
on.
you put the life belt on before you started driving.
Exactly. If you knew it was going to happen, you would put it on right before. Because you don't know when a collision might happen, then what should you have in the right place all the time?
Your life belt.
And not just life belt. What else did I touch on last time that you should have in the correct place?
Your seat.
Your
Headrest.
Your seat, your headrest.
Your wheels should be
Steering
positioned
wheel.
properly.
You're doing great.
For me, it taught us a lot about like awareness and keeping focus on the road, basically, and just being more aware of your surroundings, and taught me about a lot of risks that I didn't already know about driving. And so it helped a lot. Yeah, the videos and everything. And I like that we were able to talk with like the whole class, so you weren't really ever singled out.
If involved in a collision, keep your vehicles exactly where they are until the police arrive. Ooh, okay. The majority missed this one. I am so glad you guys are in my class. Are you glad you're in my class? I am. Okay. That is false. Again, that's what I was taught as a teenager, and maybe your parents were taught that when they learned to drive also, because that's what the Arkansas law used to say, that if you're in a wreck, you leave it exactly where it is until the police arrive so that they can see where everybody is and to make a better determination of who is at fault. That is no longer true. We have a law called the Move It Law. It says if you're involved in a collision and there are no apparent injuries and your car can still be driven, you are required by law to drive that vehicle to a safe place. Get it off the road. Do you think there are thousands upon thousands of people in Northwest Arkansas who might need to go ahead and get to work even though you had a fender bender?